Hello my crochet friends, I created this small easy flower for the as a decoration for the violet blouse you see in this image, but of course you can use this flower for anything you like. Let's get started.
We are going to create a very nice flower, so easy and quick to crochet, which we can use as decoration for our blouse, our bags, hats and so on. Slip knot to start. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Slip stitch to join into the first chain, like that. First round, chain 1, enter the center of this ring and single crochet 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slip stitch to join into the first single crochet of this round. Round 2. Chain 2, 1 and 2, yarn over, into the next stitch, double crochet 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 into the same stitch. Chain 2, into the next stitch, single crochet 1. That's the first petal of 5. Repeat. Chain 2, yarn over, into the next stitch, double crochet 4. Chain 2, into the next stitch, single crochet 1. Repeat that all the way around. At the end of this round, chain 2 and slip stitch to join into the first stitch, the same from which the first 2 chains are made, like that.